Panguva inoiti Chiwenga speaks wotaura manje vachiva vachipraisa VP Constantino Chiwenga. Sanapinda mashoko atikuna kuti aiwa vanhu vari kuuya panguva inoi aiwa vachisympathize naVP Constantino Chiwenga ndokuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa pahendo yamuchazvirega mudanyira chiti honoring the sacrifice of retired General CDGN Chiwenga, a hero of the Second Republic. On this significant day, we pause to pay tribute to a man whose unwavering dedication and sacrifice paved the way for the birth of the Second Republic in Zimbabwe, retired General Constantino Dominic Kuzino Chiwenga, a name that will forever be etched in the annals of our nation's history, demonstrated a level of selflessness and patriotism that is rare in today's world. General Chiwenga's actions were not driven by greed or a lust for power, but rather a deep-seated desire to set things right for his beloved country. He recognized the need for change and at great personal risk stepped forward to lead the change. His courage and conviction in the face of adversity, a testament to his character, his unwavering commitment to the people of Zimbabwe. We must acknowledge the pivotal role played by retired General Chiwenga. He put his own life in the line, sacrificing personal comfort and security for the greater good of the nation. His leadership during this critical juncture in our history was instrumental in ensuring a smooth transition and the establishment of a new era of government. The retired Chiwenga's legacy extends for beyond his military achievements. He embodied the spirit of a true patriot, one who was willing to lay down his life for the betterment of our country. His actions serve as an inspiration to all Zimbabweans, reminding us of the power of selflessness and the importance of putting the needs of the nation above our own. Ndo mashoko anoitagwa panapa neendo yana muchazvirega vachitaura vachisapota VP Constantino Chiwenga. Vanoposta this picture ramuri kuona iri vachiti on this day VP Constantino Chiwenga ndopo vakaratidza kuti aiwa is a patriot. But kunyange zvazvo zviri kuonekwa kunzi right now panguva inei zviri kuonekwa kunzi these guys havanyanzi kucalculate, anoda kuti the decision they made on this day ndoyaresulta kuti nyika ive muchaos yakadai. Imbudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pemaloyalists aVP Constantino Chiwenga varikuya panguva inoi vachiti aiwa yes zvinhu zvinoratidza kuti everything have flopped, but we must thank this man. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Bvina comment section medu mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.